This car is a masterpiece of deception, an engineering marvel built on a beautiful lie, and it may have saved the soul of Ferrari. This is the Ferrari 488 GTB, and when it was unveiled, the car world held its breath. The reason? Underneath that glass engine cover wasn't the screaming, naturally aspirated V8 everyone loved. It was a twin-turbo. For the purists, it was the end of an era, a forced move due to emissions rules. They braced for the worst: a muted engine, a car that felt heavy, and the ultimate sin, turbo lag. They thought Ferrari had sold out, but Maranello had an ace up its sleeve. Ferrari's engineers declared all-out war on turbo lag. They treated it as a personal insult. They threw the entire Formula One playbook at this 3.9-liter V8. We're talking lightweight titanium aluminum turbines, twin-scroll technology, and ball-bearing shafts to reduce friction to almost nothing. The engine management is so ridiculously quick, it anticipates what you want before you even do. The result? A throttle response time of 0.8 seconds. That's not just fast, it's instantaneous. It pulls with a ferocious linear shove all the way to its 8,000 RPM redline, tricking your senses completely. That's the beautiful lie. A turbo engine that feels like the greatest naturally aspirated engine ever built. And that lie is backed by some serious truth. 661 horsepower, 0 to 60 in a blink and you miss it 3.0 seconds. A top speed north of 205 mph. It's a certified rocket ship. But speed in a straight line is easy. The magic is in the corners. The 488's aerodynamics are next level. This thing produces 50% more downforce than the legendary 458, yet has less drag. How? The front end has an aero pillar derived from F1, and at the back, a patented blown spoiler channels air through the bodywork to stick the rear to the asphalt without a giant wing. It's pure genius. The 488 wasn't just an update, it was a revolution. It proved that the future didn't have to be silent or boring. It showed the world that Ferrari could embrace turbocharging and not just maintain its character, but enhance it. This car didn't just hit the benchmark, it blew the benchmark to pieces and created a new one. It's a stunning, fire-breathing testament to engineering passion, a car that faced down a crisis and emerged a legend. Save, share, and follow extreme cars.